In this video, we will derive the fourth equation of motion, that is Sn equals to u plus a by 2 to n minus 1. So let's start. By the definition of velocity, we know that velocity b can be written as b is equals to ds by dt, that is displacement by time. In the next step, we can write ds is equals to b dt. And from the first equation of motion, we know that b is equals to u plus at. Now let's put this into this. So it will be u plus at dt. So we get ds equals to u plus at dt. So this is our equation 1. Now when time is equals n minus 1 second, distance traveled is equals Sn minus 1. Let us consider this. So when time n minus 1 second, distance traveled is Sn minus 1. And when time n second, distance traveled is Sn. So we have considered this. Now let's integrate the equation 1 within this limit. So it will be integration from Sn minus 1 to Sn ds is equals n, time is n minus 1 to n, and u plus at dt. Now integration of ds is s, and the limits are Sn minus 1 up to Sn. And in the right hand side, u is constant, so u will be outside. So it will be integration n minus 1 up to n dt plus a will get outside, so integration t dt, limits from n minus 1 up to n. Now integration of dt is t, so it will be u t n minus 1 up to n plus a. Integration of t dt is t square by 2, limits n minus 1 up to n. And in the left hand side, let's put the limits, so it will be Sn minus 1. Now let's put the limits, so it will be u n minus of n minus 1 plus, let's take 2 outside, so a by 2, n square minus of n minus 1 whole square. In the next step, u n minus n plus 1 plus a by 2 n square minus, simplifying it, it will be a minus b whole square, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. So n gets cancelled, so it will be u plus a by 2 n square minus n square minus minus plus 2n minus 1. N square gets cancelled, so u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. So we get Sn minus 1 is u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. This Sn minus 1 is our Snth time. So we can write Snth is a by 2 u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. So Snth is Sn minus 1, that is the distance traveled in nth second. Distance traveled in nth second. So we get the fourth equation of motion, that is s nth is equals to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1, where s nth is the distance traveled in nth second, that is sn minus 1.